How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay dear children, in our previous class we have discussed the topic that is round off to the nearest tens, to the nearest hundreds, to the nearest thousand, and discussed exercise 2.5 also. Okay, practice in your home. Okay, now we are going to discuss one more concept in the lesson of second, place value, the last concepts, that is today we are discussing international place value system and Roman numerals. Okay, already we are familiar with this Indian place value system. We are able to read the numbers, write the numbers, and recognizing the place values and face values, expanding the numbers. These all we are learnt in our previous class with the help of this chart. In this chart we know that ones place, this is ones place or period? No, it is a ones period. In the ones period, ones, tens, hundred places are there, 3 places are there. Then this is the ones. Next is there, no? That is from ones left side. Ones left side, this is thousands period, and in this thousands period, this is thousands place, and this is 10,000s place, and this is the lakhs period, and in the lakhs period we have 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs places. Then crores period, in that crores period, and here 2 places are there, 1 crore and 10 crores place. Okay, this already we learned. With the help of this chart, today we are starting the next concept, that is your international place value system. Yes, why we are using this international place value system? Yes, my dear children, it is also called, this Indian place value system is also called Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, I am drawing that chart. First of all, look at here. Here also some periods are there. This is called ones period, then thousands period, and it can be called as millions, and it can be called as billions, not lakhs, not crores. Okay, instead of lakhs we are calling it as a millions, and instead of crores we are calling as a billions. Okay, my dear children, now here it is ones period, it is thousands period, and this is millions period, millions, millions period, and it is billions, billions. These are the periods. These are called what? Periods. Yes, first of all, here in the ones period, again we are making 3 columns. We are making 3 columns, that is ones, tens, hundred. This is same as our previous Indian place value system. Okay, ones period is not, there is no changes. Okay, here also ones period is there, here also ones period is there, here also 3 places are there, ones, tens, hundred, and here also ones, tens, hundred. Okay, then what about that thousands? Here in the ones in the thousands place, thousands period, we make 2 columns, but here we are making 3 columns. The first, this one after 100 we can call it as 1000, and 1000 after it is 10,000, then 10,000 after, this is 10,000 after hundreds thousand, HTH. H stands for hundreds, TH stands for thousands. Okay, it is in the thousands period we can make 3 columns, 1000, 10,000, hundreds thousand. Next, what about millions? Here, my dear children, here also we are making 3 columns. This is first million, M, capital letter M. M stands for million. Then 10 million, TM. Then 100 million. Sorry, Okay, it is 100 millions. HM. M stands for millions, TM stands for 10 millions, and HM stands for 100 million. Okay, keep it in our mind. Again, this billions we are calling as a billion. Yes, but in the place Indian place value system, we are written in the place of billions crores. Okay, but in the international place value we can call it as a billions. My dear children, now tell me, it is B stands for billions, TB stands for 10 billion, and HB stands for 100 billion. Yes. Now, with the help of this chart, we can write the numbers and read the numbers and recognizing the numbers. Now, this is called what? Places. These are called places. Now, in this only, I'll say some numbers. Example, yes, suppose example number 1. Now, I am writing number here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know how many digits are there. So, look at this number. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally it is a 8 digit number. In the Indian place value system, we can read it as a what? How? So it can be read as 2 crore 34 lakhs 56,789. Mind? Yes. In the Indian place value system, in the same number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These such numbers are there, means how to read this number? Ones, tens, 100, putting the comma in between 6 and 7, and 1000, 10,000, putting the comma in between 4 and 5, then putting next, it is a lakh and it is 10 lakh, it is crore. So putting the comma in between 2 and 3, it can be read as 2 crores 34 lakhs 56,789. But what about this international system? How to read this number in international place value system? How to write this? How to write the number name of the given number in an international place value system? We will study. Yes, my dear children, give concentration here. Look at the board. Yes. First of all, any numbers are there, any digits are there, means what you do? Yes. First of all, from our right, it is our right now. Yes, from our right, we will keep the commas. We will keep commas for every 3 digits. For every 3 digit. Yes, what I am telling? Yes, from the right, we will keep the commas after every 3 digits. Yes, this is 9. 1, it is a first digit. From the right, I am telling. From the right, this is a first digit. Then this is a second digit. This is a third digit. So it is a one group. So make it as a one group. Then 6, 5, 4. This is second group. Then what about this 3 and 2? Only 2 digits are there. Sir told for every 3 digit you can make a group, or you can put a comma. But here 4, 6, 5, 4. It is one group. This is 9, 8, 7. This is one group. But what about here? Only 2 digits. Yes, 2 after there is no numbers, means that is also a one group. Keep as it is. My dear children, now I will put this same number in the given international place value chart. This is a chart. Okay. Yes, this in that chart we can put the given number. Yes, my dear children, first of all, this 9 is in the ones place. So 8 tens place, 7 hundreds place, 6 thousands, 5 is in 10,000s, 4 hundreds thousand, then 3 is in the millions, and 2 is in the what? 10 millions. My dear children, now tell me how to read this number. Now it can be read as 2 is in 10 millions, 3 is in millions. So totally it is millions period, 2 and 3. So 23, it can be read as a 23 millions 456. You together you can read 456. Both all three digits numbers in a 3 digit are there, no? Yes, together you can read 456,789. Okay, 789 is in the ones period. So my dear children, with the help of this chart, now I am writing the number name of the given number. It can be read as 23 millions 400. Yes, now I have to mark or insert the commas from right to left, my right. Okay, this is my right, so this is the first digit from my right, 1 2 3. For every 3 digit we can put the comma, or we can for every 3 digit we can make a one group. So 1 2 3 it is one group. Next 1 2 3 it is one group. 087 is also one group, and 512 is also one group. No, it is 4 is only one is there, you keep as it is. So how to read this number, my dear children? Yes, now tell me. It can be, yes, 2 is in ones place. Next 1 is in tens, 100. So here only I write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 0 is in hundreds, thousand. Then 100,000 after period place is M. M stands for million. So my dear children, now it can be read as 4 million. Say along with me. It can be read as 4 millions 87, only 87 thousands 512. Yes, as I say right now, like that you can write in your notebook. Yes, how many millions? 4 millions 87 EIGHTY 87 thousands 512. This is the number name of the given numeral. Yes, in which form or in which system we are written this number name? Okay, I'll keep remember this. We are studying in an international place value system, so we can written in the form of international place value system. Okay, dear children. Yes, let's take some more examples and we'll study. First of all, I am taking one example. This is the third example, your third example. Yes. Yes, totally how many digits are there? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, first of all, what I said, from your right to left we are going. Okay, from our right we have to make after every 3 digit put the comma or make one group. So 6 7 and 9, this is one group and this is another one group, and we put 3 and 4 in between, one comma, then 3 and 5 it is also one group, but after 5 there is no number, that's why we will keep that is 53 as a one group. Okay, my dear children. Now how to read this number? What we did? Now we marked the periods. Periods means this is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is only millions. Then what about the number? Yes, it can be read as how many millions? So this number, now tell me, this is ones, tens, 100, then it is 2 is in thousands, thousand after 10,000, 10,000 after hundreds thousand, but in an Indian system 10,000 after lakh place is there, but in the international place value system 10,000 after there is a 100,000 place, 100 place is there, that's why. Then 100,000 after million. 3 is in the millions and million after 5 is in the 10 million. Now it can be read as 10 million because 53 together we can read means this 53 millions because 53 is in the millions period. That's why we call it as a 53 millions. 53 millions. 402. 4 400. 402. What next? Only 402, not 402. Right after thousands. Otherwise, it is meaningless. 402 thousands. 976. 976. This is the number name of the given numeral. Okay. Now I am going to the next fourth example. 40209752. Okay, how many digits are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now I am taking this number from, first of all, you have to group after every 3 digit. So 2 3 5, this is one group. 7 9 0, this is one group, and this is 0 2 0 4, this is one group. So it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then hundreds thousand. This 0 is in hundreds thousand, and it is million, 10 million, and 100 million. Yes, dear children, now it can be read as, after every 3 digit you put the commas. So it can be read as 402 millions. 402 millions. 97 NINETYSEVEN 797 what? Thousands. 97 thousands. 532 is the number name of the given fourth example. Okay, yes, understand? Okay, my dear children, in the next part we are going to discuss your exercise 2.6. It is